What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, we have another day to live and dominate in the world of cryptocurrency markets. We know we have been experiencing a lot of volatility, a lot of ups, a lot of downs, so forth and so on. We've been experiencing this for the past several months, but nevertheless, we're not panicking. We understand that this is normal, so we're just going to stick to the script and continue to trust the process. We have a great video in store for you. Going to be talking about some of the large companies, institutions in the world. Going to be talking about Bitcoin and going to be talking about altcoin seasons and financial cycles. But before we get into the topics of the day, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is $54,900, just below the $55,000 level. A few days ago, we did see Bitcoin tip to the $52,000 level. Once Bitcoin entered into the $52,000 level, we saw a lot of panic, as we always do when Bitcoin dipped. The Fear and Greed Index dipped to the mid-20s. Currently today, the Fear and Greed Index is about 30, 35 range, which is no big deal. We understand whenever the Fear and Greed Index gets that low, those are great buying opportunities that we like to take advantage of. Ethereum holding strong, Bitcoin dominance 55.7. We did see the Bitcoin dominance get to 56.4% last week. So we're going to continue to watch the Bitcoin dominance because that is one of the greatest indicators that we like to use to gauge when we should be expecting altcoin season to start to appear. So let's go ahead and get into some of the topics of the day. Currently, right now, we are very near altcoin season. There's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt looming around the cryptocurrency market. There's a lot of folks placing comments on various cryptocurrency videos. They're saying Bitcoin bull market is over. Altcoin season happened in March of this year. Bitcoin's going down to $30,000, so forth and so on. Get out right now. Don't expect Bitcoin to have an altcoin season after March, because the altcoin season happened in March is what they're saying. So be careful who you listen to. Be careful who you are watching. You always want to trust yourself because you're the CEO of your own portfolio. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, and follow the 4-year cycles. If you follow the 4-year cycles, you will not be bothered by the fear that are out there. You won't be bothered by a lot of the folks that's saying the bull market is over. So that's what we've been doing at the Stock Holiday Camp, trusting the process, keeping it simple. We're not going to try to overthink the process, not going to try to overthink the charts. The charts are in the store. They've been doing the same thing each cycle, so we're going to trust the cycle. We're going to trust what the charts have been showing us for the past 10, 12 years, however many cycles that we have been through. So currently right now, altcoin season, as well as altcoins, as well as Bitcoin are currently being reset. Some of the altcoins that we're seeing right now, they are at the same levels that they were in January 2024. January 2024, we know we had the supply shock of the spot Bitcoin ETF. March 2024, that was like a doggone altcoin season. That was the baby altcoin season that was sucking up the effect from the supply shock from the spot Bitcoin ETF. Even Bitcoin had a baby altcoin season from the supply shock of the spot Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin got to $73,000. Altcoins did a 4x, some did a 20x. That was a baby altcoin season. Whenever you have a supply shock in cryptocurrency, you will see a altcoin season. And that is all that was. That is exactly what it is that we have seen. So altcoin season are resetting to January levels. Bitcoin is now resetting to January levels when it hit the $52,000 a few days ago. No big deal. Everything is lining up the exact way that it's supposed to. Now we know our traditional 4-year cycles, our traditional Bitcoin halving supply shock, that will be taken into effect with our traditional altcoin season that have yet to arrive. So once that happens, we're going to see a super cycle. We're going to see an altcoin season like never before. So we're trusting the process. We're keeping it simple, sticking to the fundamentals. So one of the things now, if you take a look at Meta Facebook back in 2021 was $380. The year later, November 2022, Meta Facebook got down to $100 or $90. Everybody was saying Facebook is over. Why did they change the name to Meta? This company is going nowhere. Mark Zuckerberg don't know what he's doing. If you take a look at Meta Facebook today, that price is $500 for one share. September 2024. So if you were listening to the folks in November 2022 when they said Facebook was going nowhere, why they changed the name to Meta, you better sell now and take the little bit of money that you got. You'll be kicking yourself because this thing is almost a 6x from where it was in November 2022. So whenever you have large, powerful organizations, powerful institutions like a Meta Facebook, like a Bitcoin, you can best believe they will go through corrections, but once they pull out of those corrections, they will come out bigger and better on the other side. The same exact thing holds true for Netflix. Netflix, September 2021, was $700. Everybody was excited about Netflix. Some folks was buying it at the top. That's why I say don't chase these stocks at the top. Don't chase cryptocurrency at the top. You want to buy it when it's low, when everybody is filled with fear, when the fear and greed index is very low. A year later, after Netflix hit $700, August 2022, Netflix got down to $150. Here we go again. The bears came out. Sell your Netflix. Netflix is not worth anything. Take your profits while you can. Netflix is going to zero. The CEO, these guys don't know what they're doing. Lo and behold, currently right now we are at $665 September 2024. So you got to be careful who you listen to. You want to make sure that you listen to yourself as being the CEO of your own portfolio. Follow the financial cycles. Follow the charts. The charts will reveal themselves. You want to keep it simple. You do not want to overthink this investing process. So folks gave up on Meta Facebook. Folks gave up on Netflix. Now, if you take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin was $69,000 in 2021. In November 2022, Bitcoin dipped down to $15,000. And what were they saying about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is going down to $10,000. Bitcoin is going back down to $8,000. You better sell your money while you can. Who knows? Bitcoin is a scam. Bitcoin will probably go down to $0. We flash all the way forward to today. Current date, September 2024, we are at $54,000. So you would have been kicking yourself if you would have been listening to the folks in 2022 when they were saying sell Bitcoin at $15,000, sell Bitcoin at $16,000. So you really want to pay attention to these financial cycles, whether it's the Bitcoin halving cycle, whether it's the traditional finance cycle. All of these things run on cycles. Real estate run on cycles, gold run on cycles, so forth and so on. But all of that will come when you are doing your own research as the CEO of your own portfolio. You want to take this investing thing serious. You do not just want to be dumping your money in something and you're not doing any research. Money is too valuable. Money is too powerful. You really want to make sure that you understand what the heck that you're doing. Now, in saying all that, we understand that Bitcoin will be pulling out and will be hitting bigger and greater levels than the $69,000 level. We seen about a week ago, we seen $1.78 trillion lost in the traditional stock market. Well, if you take a look at cryptocurrency, the whole bucket market of cryptocurrency is only valued at $1.92 trillion market cap. So in a matter of 1 week, the traditional finance stock market lost everything in cryptocurrency. All the Solana got lost. all the Bitcoin, everything went to zero for the most part. If you take a look at the traditional finance, losing almost $2 trillion. So that is to really put things into perspective and let us know that we're still early investors in this cryptocurrency market, this cryptocurrency space. Market cap is still very low. We're talking about under a $2 trillion market cap. That is a very low market cap. We're still early. We still have opportunities to make life-changing money. We're expecting the overall market cap for cryptocurrency this particular cycle to hit to about 8 trillion, $10 trillion, and that's still going to be small in comparison to the traditional finance and some of the other assets that are out there. So most importantly, you want to stick to the fundamentals. You do not want to panic. Pay attention to the 4-year cycles. Pay attention to the financial cycles. Pay attention to the charts. Do your own research. Keep it simple and continue to dollar cost average in like you know is important for you to do. Like I say, come on over there. Join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great community of folks who love to talk about cryptocurrency all day, every day. And like I say, I just come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good motivation. Coming to you every day to give you that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.